Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add video to Shopify homepage. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it. So first of all, log in into your Shopify admin panel and click on online store and click on customize and make sure you have selected homepage and scroll down and click on add section, show more, and you'll find this video option here. So click on video. So here you can see the video section has been added, and if you want to put this video section to very upper, click on here, or you can drag it. Okay, the section has been added, and now let's see how to add video. So click on video, and here we can see the heading. If you want to change this heading, you can change from here, but I'm going to deleting this one. And now to set a cover image, as you can see, this is a cover image. To change this cover image, click on select image, and you can upload from your computer, but right now I'm going to using this one. Select. So the cover image has been added, and scroll down, and now here you have to enter your video URL. So I'm going to my YouTube and copying my video URL, and I'm simply pasting it here, and you can see the video alt text here. And to make the video section full width, enable this option. And now I'm going to clicking on save. So here we can see I've added a video to my Shopify homepage. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to admin it. Thank you for watching.